Welcome to the beginning of your journey to the seventh continent. Together we'll venture to the most unique place on Earth where you'll become a contributor in the world's largest research lab, Antarctica. All throughout the year, we bring hundreds of photographers like yourself to the most beautiful places on the planet. With much travel, we know comes much responsibility to make sure these places and the wildlife that live there stay safe. This is why our team operates under IATO, the International Association of Antarctica Tour Operations. Our members, ship captains, vehicle operators, travel experts, government officials, and nature specialists do everything in our power to promote safe and environmentally responsible travel to this delicate region of the world. As we gather from across the world to sail south, it's our top priority to ensure no invasive contaminants reach the shores of Antarctica. Our team will provide clean boots for every guest, a brand new Antarctic-capable jacket, and hand-pick hair, seeds, dust, and more from all your photography gear. Every time we near a new landing, each guest is required to wash their gear in an environmentally safe liquid solution. From sea to land, our nature experts venture ahead to mark out hiking paths to secure the safety of the land, environment, and wildlife. Guests are taught minimum impact practices, like utilizing a single drop point for the group's gear, ensuring all objects are secure from loss during strong winds, zero disturbing of freshwater streams, leaving all food on the ship, and not removing anything from the environment. Knowing we're guests in their house, we respond to the wants and needs of the creatures of this magnificent land. We're here to capture reality, not alter it. We practice photography without disruption. No feeding, touching, or getting near the wildlife. If they ask us to move, we move. If they ask us to leave, we leave. If they ask us to take a photo, we happily snap a shot. On-board scientists will teach you the history, geology, and biology insights of Antarctica's ecosystem, giving you wisdom of the behaviors of the wildlife and the land they occupy. But not only will you get the opportunity to learn from our scientists, your attendance alone supports the conservation of Antarctica, as IATO ships provide transportation for researchers stationed in Antarctica, supplies needed on the peninsula, and opportunities to submit your photos to aid in ongoing scientific research. We look forward to partnering with you on this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to enter into a paradise like no other, a paradise that we love, that we care for, and we look forward to conserving with you.